In the Messages app, when in an iMessage conversation with another Apple user or users, we can now edit or unsend messages. First, let's do an edit. So I'll send a message from this iPhone that contains a mistake. I meant to say will, not well. So previously, I might just ignore this or send another message with an asterisk and the word will to acknowledge the typo. But now we can just tap and hold on the message and hit edit. Then make the changes or additions to the message. Notice that it indicates that the message was edited for both users. If we tap the blue edited button, both users are able to see the change that was made. You're going to be able to edit a message for up to 15 minutes after sending it, and there can be up to 5 edits made to a given message. Now let's send a reply to that message. Once a message is sent, the sender is going to have 2 minutes to be able to unsend it. Tap hold and hit undo send. The message will vanish on both phones. But again, everyone in the conversation can see that a message was unsent. Unless the recipient read the message prior to it being unsent, they're not going to be able to see it. If a recipient hasn't upgraded to iOS 16, the message will not be removed from their device, and they probably won't be able to see edits either. So these are iOS 16 to iOS 16 or later features.